Welcome to Gatekeeper Law. The following tutorial is going to go over the basic use of the web application. When you first log in, it brings you to the main dashboard. Here I have the popular clients on the left pane and time tracker drafts on the right pane. The first thing you'll need to do after logging in is going to the navigation drop-down menu and choosing Clients. And this is where you'll add new clients. In the green header bar, you can see the Create New Client button. Selecting this will bring a pop-up in which you can put all of your client information in, names, emails, phone numbers to address. You can also put in an overall billing rate per hour and any notes you need. Submitting this will create a client. You can then choose whatever client you would like by selecting the green I View button. This brings the client into the pane on the left with all of the information and puts matters in the pane to the right. To add a new matter, you go to the green header bar and select the Create New Matter button. And choose the matter type, add a description of the matter, a case identifier, and here you can overwrite the billing rate we established in the original creation of the client if you would like. We can choose the matter we like by selecting the green I View button. This puts the matter under the client information in the left panes and pulls activities into the right pane. To add a new activity, you go to the green header bar and select the Create New Activity button. And we can choose one of our activity codes, add a brief description, again, overwrite the billing rate if we want for this activity, and this is also where we choose whether or not the activity is billable or not. We can then choose an activity by selecting the green I View button under whichever activity you want. This puts the activity to the left underneath the matter in the client details and brings up all time logs associated with that activity in the right pane. You can create a new manual time log by selecting the Create New Time Log button in the green header bar. This is where we will add time that was previously recorded but not put into the timekeeper entry. You can choose the date, any notes, and put in your hours and your minutes. If we are going to start a new time tracker clock, we go down to the activity details and the light blue Start Timer button and select it, and this will bring up our time tracker. When we pull up a timer in this workflow within the actual activity, it autofills the client, matter, and activity for us. We can put in a narrative in the notes section, change the date if we would like. You can also pause, reset, or edit the actual amount of time. We can save this timer as a draft or complete the time log. All completed time logs can be edited or deleted, and any drafts we save are going to be back on the main dashboard page onto the right pane labeled Time Tracker Drafts. These drafts can be viewed, edited, any notes added, any changes made, and then either saved as a draft again if you're not finished with it, or completed. Once complete, it will go into the completed time logs for the activity. The Open Activities button will pull up all activities currently open and not marked as complete for all matters and activities and clients. These can be viewed, edited, or deleted. The Quick Timer is located in the right-hand corner. This will pull up a timer that is completely blank. This information can be edited, and you can save it as a draft. It is important to note, if you would like to save it as a completed time log, you must have the client, matter, and activity code filled out. There are several reports associated with Gatekeeper Law. We have the ability to create a simple invoice that will pull into a Word document. Simply put in the report criteria in the client, the matter you would like to create the invoice for, and a start and end date. And view the basic invoice. The timesheet report has similar criteria with a start and end date. You select the user, and this will run a general timesheet report for the given time period. There is a simple green button in which you could export this into an Excel document. The last report is a time log completed today report. This shows just time logs that have been completed during the day. In the Profile drop-down menu, you will see a Preferences tab. This tab is where we can set the daily billable and daily non-billable goal badges that we see at the top of the screen. These goal bars will change color throughout the day from red, orange, yellow to green to help you monitor your progress visually. These are the basic functions of Gatekeeper Law. Thank you.